and he would have chopped off the poet's head. But he promised to himself that he would peek in the shade one day. He would dare to get in the shade one day. I know that there isn't really a ghost. My brother tells lies to keep the shade for his den. There isn't anyone staring or making strange noises, and the spider has been gone from his web since I don't know when. I will go into that shade one day soon, but not yet. So your poet is telling that he knows that there isn't really any ghost inside the shade, but his brother was fooling him because his brother wanted to keep that shade his own den. He wanted to keep his secret things in the shade, and he didn't want his younger brother to get into the shade and find out all those secret things. So there isn't anyone staring or making strange noises. There was no one in the shade who was making noise and staring at the poet. And the spider had already gone from his web. Poet, he himself doesn't know when he had gone. Okay, so but he would go into that shade one day soon. So he promised himself he would go in that shade one day, but not yet. The time has not come. Okay, so this is the poem all about the shade. It is all about strange thoughts regarding the shade of the poet. He's sharing his thoughts with us. But finally, he is making promise to himself that he would enter in that shade one day and find out that there was no such ghost in the shade, but there were things kept in the shade. I hope you understood what I have explained you, and please recite this poem and understand it once again. Thank you.